making magic here in the jungle. Alright, we are on a boat. Everybody's on board. Everybody people on the dock. Bye. See you in 3 weeks. Oh, just kidding. You'll never see them again. I did, you never saw them before. So welcome aboard the world famous Osmo cruise. My name's Chelsea. I will be your skipper for as far as we get today. Based off my last cruise, not very far. Before we get too far, I would like to remind you how to remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times, and parents will be supervise your little ones, making sure they're seated at all times. Now, folks, over here on the right, we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Inside the temple, Dr. Indiana Jones is searching for the world's greatest treasure. Yeah, little does he know about here. And we are now coming up on an ancient Cambodian shrine, built by ancient Cambodian Shriners. Now, over there on the left, that's an Indo-Chinese tiger. Indo-Chinese tigers can jump over 30 feet, but don't worry, we are 15 feet away. He will jump right over us. Yeah. In the water, that's our great Ginger. Careful, Ginger snaps. Yeah, she's one tough cookie. Now, folks, just a friendly reminder, I do need everyone, all ages and sizes, seated on their bottoms at all times during our cruise today. On your bottom, please, that's why you got them. Alright, folks, we are now entering an elephant pool. Yeah. I was told that this was an elephant-only bathing pool, but that's a crock. Yeah, feel free to take as many pictures as you like. They do all have their cups on. And yes, the whole herd is here today. That is really unheard of. And folks, just around the corner is my friend Peter. We're going to take the ice to the water in the boat. And there's people on the boat, so don't worry, he won't squirt me, right? Hey, down. Thank you. You folks, however you are on your own, and he's coming back, everyone! Jump, 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 jump! Yeah, and that was a little dry humor. Don't worry, I never put you in real danger. Oh, what's going on? Oh, huh. That looks dangerous. Let's get closer. Now, folks, a friendly reminder, we do need everyone seated on their bottoms, please. Everyone, all ages, all sizes, seated on your bottoms. On your bottoms. The little one, too. We need the little one seated on too, thank you. Alright. Oh, it looks like camp has gone bananas. Seems like everyone's monkeying around. Don't make any banana sounds. They find it truly appealing. I feel like maybe we should split. Alright, folks. Now, if you look over on the left, right over here on the left, you will see absolutely nothing. But if you look straight ahead, you'll see the beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after the great humanitarian Dr. Albert Falls. Don't worry, we'll go over that later. Right now we're going to go around it and down the Nile River, longest river in the world, over 4,000 miles long. Yeah, you can say it goes on for Niles. Don't worry, I know shortcuts. Don't worry, you're in denial. Over on the left, that's an African bull elephant. Second most feared animal in the jungle. On the right, the most feared is eagle trick. Now, who wants to see a trick? You ready? Alright, speak. Oh, yeah, I can't hear you. Thank you. Now we've been working on that all day. Alright, folks. Oh, look at that. We are now in the opposite belt. Here you will see some beautiful animals. We got some giraffes, some zebras, a whole pride of lions, lots of snowbirds, sleeping zebra. Yeah, he's just taking a nap. Yeah, we're gonna let him rest. Oh, look at this, folks. Over here, we have some of the brightest and most artistic minds in the jungle. Skipper Felix. And today is his first, maybe his last day as a jungle cruise skipper. I told him, don't get in your argument with a rhino. They always hit their point across. In the end. Yeah. Well, at least he's not the zebra. He was dead. Tired. Dead tired. Uh-oh. Folks, it looks like we just entered an overflow. It was our extremely dangerous animals. Cover you with all the off. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, look at that. We're still doing half off. Oh, see the top there. Uh-oh, they're coming down. Let's get out of here. That was close. Well, it can't get much worse, can it? Uh-oh, take over. Let's see if I can see what Kelsey's trying to tell. Let's go and try to tell him down. Take him out, guys. Take him out. You're doing great. Oh, wait, you did. Alright, now, you told me about teaching myself. That's a tip. They're different. Oh, look at that. Look at that. He's got so many butterflies. You know what I was telling one of the skippers earlier? Butterflies are not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Alright, folks, you're coming up on the real easy now. Came on this for today. The amazing, the incredible, the spectacular, the fantastic. Each one down the wall, so takes the backside of water. Yeah, us skippers like to call that O2H. But you chemistry enthusiasts, that joke was a key word. I like to tell it periodically. Yeah, I know some about oxygen and potassium, but those are just okay. Yeah, that was magnificent stuff. You can't see that at home. Yeah, you can try to go hit your head on the back of the faucet and it really hurts. So that's how I know what's going on. Uh-oh. Oh, kids, I'm pulling on it. Oh, yeah, we gotta get out of here. Up ahead, that's an anaconda in a tree, a giant cyanide. And over here, this is Greater Sam's gift shop. Yes, it was on listed down, but today Sam decided to open a new business. Unfortunately, Sam is not here right now, probably out, getting some more gifts. Surprised so you can find Kitty and Charlotte in the middle of one place. And of course we are now beginning the most dangerous turnaround point of recon civilization. As we approach top and keep all hands, arms, and feet and legs inside the boat and remain seated. Now if you have fun today on the world famous jungle cruise, my name is Skipper Chelsea. If you didn't, hello, my name is Skipper Felix. I hope this video